an ulterior motive. But she's up laying in your bed with thoughts of me run through your head. Keep hiding from your lying, but she'll never be me. She'll never know you like I know you. She'll try but she'll see that I'm your one and only. She'll never be me. She'll never know you like I know you. She'll try but she'll see that I'm your one and only. Now it's 4 in the morning and she keeps talking, but you ignore it 'cause she's kinda boring. So you text me and try to restore us. Try real hard not to think about where she puts her hands and you put your mouth. I'm dying from your lying, but she'll never be me. She'll never know you like I know you. She'll try but she'll see that I'm your one and only. She'll never be me. She'll never know you like I know you. She'll try but she'll see that I'm your one and only. That I'm your one and only. She'll never be me. That I'm your one and only. Every day is the same conversation. Call you up but you're already faded. I've been wasting my days just trying to find a way for us to change it. Found myself in the same situation, putting up with my daily frustration. You keep trying to manipulate a way right back to me, but she'll never be me.